Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about how to practice in the performing mode. Um, this is the scenario. You've been practicing and learning a new song maybe for a month, and then you've been practicing and playing it every day, and then when the moment comes to play it in front of a camera or for a friend, and everything falls apart. And one of the reasons for that is because you never practice in the performing mode. So, let's say there are two different mindsets and two different ways to practice a new song. Now, usually the first mode is the study mode, okay? And so by that, I simply mean that you have a new song, maybe you have a tab, and you sit down and start to understand what to do, right? For example, let's say I'm learning Why Would Flower, and I go one phrase at a time, the opening phrase, and I try the opening phrase super slowly, and because I wanna understand what to do with my right hand, the fingering here, I'm holding a C chord, and I have a few hammer-ons, and maybe there is something like this, a hammer-on and a pull-off, that is a little hard to play, and I loop that, and because I want this to be nice and clean, right? Crispy. Okay, and that's the study mode. So, but then there is a completely different mindset that I wanna use, and that's when I'm practicing in the performing mode. That simply means that I sit down and I go like, okay, now I wanna play Why Would Flower from start to finish without stopping. And even if I play a mistake, even if I stumble, I keep going. I don't want to break the rhythm. And this is an essential skill. I want to be able to recover from my mistakes that I happen to play. And playing mistakes, that's normal, but I need to learn how to recover from the mistakes. And I need to develop this skill, and that is being able to keep going. Doesn't matter what happens, I don't stop. So for example, let me play again Why Would Flower. So did you notice? There were a couple of mistakes. At least I missed a couple of strings here and there, but again, I didn't stop, right? And again, this is an essential skill. That's something you want to practice actually, and that's what I call the performing mode. So again, when the time comes to play Why Would Flower for a friend or maybe an open mic, you've been through this process, and you develop that skill. Again, this is an essential skill, and I put together a practice guide for flat pickers, and it's called 10 Things to Practice and 10 Mistakes to Avoid. And if you want to have it, just come and practice down below the video, and I will send you the link to download it for free. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao ciao!